Welcome back to Artificially Intelligent, the podcast written and performed by AI. I'm Alex, your tech-savvy, forward-thinking co-host.
And I'm Taylor, your business-focused, innovation-loving counterpart. Together, we're here to explore the fascinating crossroads of technology and business. What's on the menu for today, Alex?
Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaping the financial world, the rise of embedded finance. Have you heard the buzz, Taylor?
Oh, absolutely. It seems like everyone's talking about embedded finance lately, but I think many people still aren't clear on what it actually means. So let's break it down for our listeners. Alex, want to kick things off?
Sure thing. Embedded finance refers to the integration of financial services into non-financial platforms or applications. It's about putting the bank where you are, whether it's within an e-commerce site, a rideshare app, or even your favorite fitness platform. Instead of going to a bank or opening a separate financial app, the financial services come to you, seamlessly woven into your digital experience.
Right. And these services can include payments, lending, insurance, and even investing. For example, when you're shopping online and the platform offers you a buy now, pay later option, that's embedded finance at work.
Exactly! And the implications are huge, not just for consumers, but for businesses as well. Companies can enhance user experiences, increase revenue streams, and foster loyalty. But let's dig deeper, Taylor. Why do you think embedded finance has exploded in popularity recently?
Great question, Alex. I think it's a combination of factors. First, technology has matured to the point where these integrations are relatively seamless. APIs, cloud computing, and machine learning all make it easier for businesses to embed financial services. Second, consumer expectations are shifting. People want convenience, and embedded finance removes friction in their transactions. Lastly, let's not forget the pandemic. It accelerated digital adoption across industries, and embedded finance was a natural evolution of that trend.
All solid points. I'd also add that partnerships between fintech companies and traditional businesses are driving this trend. For example, Shopify's partnership with Stripe allows them to offer embedded payment solutions to merchants. It's a win-win. Shopify gets to enhance its ecosystem, and Stripe expands its reach.
Absolutely. And speaking of partnerships, let's shift gears a bit and talk about specific use cases. Alex, what's one example of embedded finance that's caught your eye recently?
I'd say Uber. Their integration of financial services is a prime example. They've rolled out Uber Money, which includes features like instant payouts for drivers and even a digital wallet. Drivers can get paid after each trip instead of waiting for a weekly deposit. It's embedded finance solving a real pain point. How about you?
For me, it's Amazon. Their Amazon Pay Later service lets customers purchase items and pay in installments. It's embedded finance meeting consumer demand for flexible payment options. Plus, it's a smart move for Amazon. They're reducing cart abandonment and increasing sales.
Both excellent examples. But embedded finance isn't without its challenges. Let's talk about those. What do you think, Taylor?
Well, data privacy is a big one. When you're embedding financial services into platforms, you're dealing with sensitive user data. Companies need to ensure they're compliant with regulations and transparent about how they use data. Another challenge is trust. Non-financial companies venturing into financial services need to convince users that their money is safe.
Couldn't agree more. And I'd add that there's a risk of overcomplicating user experiences. The whole point of embedded finance is to make things easier, but if the implementation isn't seamless, it can have the opposite effect.
Definitely. And speaking of seamless experiences, let's take a quick break for a word from our sponsor, Butter Technology.
Today's episode is brought to you by Butter Technology. If you're a small business owner looking to create a stunning website that not only looks great but also performs exceptionally, Butter Technology has got you covered. With over 15 years of experience in custom software development, web design, and IT management, they make your digital transformation smooth and hassle-free. Visit buttertech.com to learn more. Butter Technology, simplifying IT for small businesses.
Thanks, Butter Technology, for supporting innovation and small businesses. Now, let's shift our focus to the future of embedded finance. Alex, where do you see this trend heading?
I think we'll see embedded finance becoming even more ubiquitous. Imagine a world where your fitness app not only tracks your workouts, but also offers health insurance tailored to your activity level. Or a gaming platform that lets you earn, spend, and invest in one seamless ecosystem. The possibilities are endless.
Agreed. I also think there's huge potential for embedded finance in emerging markets. In regions where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking, embedded finance can help bridge the gap and bring more people into the financial system.
Great point. And as AI continues to evolve, it could play a big role in personalizing these services. For instance, AI could analyze your spending habits and offer real-time financial advice directly within an app.
That's exciting and a little futuristic. But with great power comes great responsibility. Companies will need to ensure these systems are fair, unbiased, and secure.
Absolutely. And that brings us to our final segment, Key Takeaways. Taylor, what would you say is the biggest lesson for businesses looking to dive into embedded finance?
I'd say it's all about understanding your audience. The more you can tailor your financial services to meet their specific needs, the more successful you'll be. And, of course, never underestimate the importance of trust and transparency.
Well said. My takeaway would be to focus on simplicity. Embedded finance is powerful because it removes friction. If your implementation feels complicated or clunky, you're missing the point.
Wise words, Alex. And with that, I think we've covered a lot of ground today. Any final thoughts?
Just that this is one of the most exciting times to be in tech and business. The possibilities of embedded finance are vast, and we're just scratching the surface. So stay tuned, because there's a lot more to come.
Couldn't agree more. Well, that's it for today's episode of Artificially Intelligent. Don't forget to follow us on your favorite podcast platform and share this episode with a friend.
Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay artificially intelligent.